Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel AutoPay with Chase, payment settings guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser. Navigate to the official Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Accounts tab. Select the account for which you want to cancel AutoPay. Look for the Payment Settings option in the account menu. Click on Payment Settings to access your payment preferences. Find the section labeled AutoPay within the Payment Settings. Here, you will see your current AutoPay settings. Select the option to Manage AutoPay. Review the details of your current AutoPay setup. To proceed, click on the Cancel AutoPay option. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Read the information provided carefully. If you are certain about canceling, confirm your decision. You should receive a confirmation message once AutoPay is successfully canceled. To ensure everything is updated, check your payment settings once more. Close the browser when you're finished to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.